Hi there, this is Jom from SSW, and today I want to discuss two new fields added to our recipe, the cooking time and the preparation time. Let's get into it. So first, I want to discuss how these two new fields are displayed. They can be seen by clicking a recipe. Let's try clicking this. So as you can see, there's two new fields added. This is the preparation time, and this is the cooking time. And each new field has two components, an hour component and a minutes component. Now, there are three other ways that this is displayed. Let's go to the first other way. So when minutes are provided only, then it would look like this. Now, if a recipe only has hours, then it would look like this. Now, if a user provided 0 cook and prep time, just like this recipe, then it is handled in this way. And that's it for display. Let's try adding a new recipe with these new fields. So I'm gonna add test. Let's make this test, then test this as well. So once we arrive with these two new fields, you could see that it has been marked as asterisk. It has UI hints telling the user on what acceptable values are accepted. So if we provide valid values for now, click add, then it would take us to the recipe page with a new recipe showing the new fields. Now let's try inputting invalid values. So if we try to leave this blank, then a message would appear, preventing us from saving. Now if we try inputting beyond the valid values, like this one, it gets converted automatically, as you can see here. The UI prevents negative values from being inputted. So right now I'm trying to add negative and it's not working. Now that's all of the validations in the front end side. As for the back end side, when a developer tries to provide bogus values, then additional validations are provided. And that's it. What I've shown you are the two new fields for the recipe app. This is Jom from SSW signing off.